Alright, so now we move into second part of this chapter, a 2D transformation into the computer animation. So what is a transformation? Transformation means changing position, shape, size or orientation of an object on display. So we have three basic geometry transformation. They are translation, rotation and scaling. And other type of transformations are reflection and shear. Alright, so we will look into the first basic geometric transformation, the translation. So a transformation, for the translation, what it meant, or where we use it. So basically, when we talk about translation, it means to reposition the object along the straight line path from one coordinate location to another. The whole object needs to be translated. Alright, so if you look into this example here, so we have the original, the left bottom triangle is our original position. So when we do the translation, all points in the triangles need to be translated into our new position. So the 2D point is translated by adding translation distance or translation factor Tx, where we denote the translation factor as Tx for the translation on x direction, and Ty for the translation on y direction to the original coordinates. So as see here, so this is our original position. Let's say it is T1, T2, X1, X2, here Y1, Y2, here X3, Y3. Then what happened is that we will adding up the X1, Y1 to Tx for the X1 and Ty to the T1. Alright, so and same goes to the second and third points. So let's say the origin position point A is at XY. Then point A is moved to a new position point as A prime, and this A prime has a new coordinate, and we denote the new coordinate with X prime and Y prime, and X prime and Y prime is equal to X plus Tx, and Y prime is equal to Y plus Ty. So yes, the Tx, Ty also called as translation vector or shift vector. Alright, so the translation vector also can be specified or can be written as in the transformation matrix. Hence, the equation 1 here can be rewritten in transformation matrix as this one. So basically, this is our new position. This is what we call as our translation vector or transformation vector, and it will be multiplied with the old coordinate here. Alright, so this is the exercise 1. So imagine that you have a triangle with this coordinate, and then we translate this triangle to 2 unit in x direction and 1 unit in y direction. So what happened is that for this A, to get the A prime, so you will adding up the x, which is 10, with 2, because we move 2 unit in x direction, and then 10 for the y plus 1, because it moved in 1 unit in y direction. Hence we will get 12, 11 new position for the A. So same goes to the B, same goes to the C. Then you will get a triangle to a new position. Alright, so in this example here, the solution or the answer here, I do the same. I do 2 ways. I provide with you the answer with 2 ways. So the first one, you just use the equation, the transformation equation, and the second option is by using a transformation matrix. Alright, okay. that will be for the translation. Then yeah,